People say the banyan tree by the shrine has started whispering at night. Last night, the whole coconut cart vanished.
That's no ordinary banyan.
Give it back. Give it back.
Om Hrim Batukaya Nama.
A fair, a forest, and a whispering tree? I love field trips. This was once an ancient forest, Gurukul. The banyan remembers. The banyan didn't want to hurt anyone. It was just sad, forgotten.
We must honor the tree with a special puja. I think it said thank you.
Even trees remember kindness.
Sacred spaces don't speak in words, but in wind and leaves. When we honor what is old and wise, blessings return like sunlight.